to Math Club Karnataka Board Class 10 Constructions Exercise 6.1 Question 5. Draw a line segment ABC with side BC 6 cm and AB 5 cm and angle ABC 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Steps of construction. Step 1. Take a line segment BC 6 cm. Step 2. Taking B as the center and radius less than half of BC, cut an arc. Without changing the compass length, cut the initially cut arc. A point is obtained. Join B and the point and extend the line segment. So angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Step 3. Taking B as center and radius 5 cm, cut an arc to the line segment. Point A is obtained. So angle ABC 60 degree. Join A and C. Triangle ABC is obtained. Step 4. Draw a line BX, acute angle to line segment BC. Step 5. Taking B as center, cut an arc with convenient radius and B1 as center, cut an arc B2 without changing the compass length. With B2 as center, cut an arc without changing the compass length. And B3 as center, cut an arc B4 without changing the compass length, such that the length B1 is equal to B1 B2 is equal to B2 B3 is equal to B3 B4. Step 6. Join B4 and C. Step 7. Taking B4 center, cut an arc with convenient radius without changing the compass length. Keep the B3 as center and cut an arc. Step 8. Take the arc length by adjusting the compass and without changing the compass length, cut the initially cut arc where B3 is formed, where B3 arc is formed. Step 9. Join B3 and the point and extend the line segment to join the BC at point C dash on BC. B3 C dash is parallel to B4 C. Step 10. Keeping C as the center, cut an arc with convenient radius without changing the arc compass length. Taking C dash as the center, cut an arc. Take the arc length by adjusting the compass. Without changing the compass length, cut an initially cut arc. Taking C dash as the center, cut the initially cut arc. Step 11. Join C dash and the point and extend the line segment to meet the line AB at point A dash. Required triangle A dash, B and C dash is obtained. The triangle A dash, B and C dash is whose sides are 3 by 4 of the bigger triangle A, B and C. You can see the blue length. So that is a triangle A dash, B and C dash, which is 3 by 4 of the given triangle A, B and C. Justification. In triangle A, B, C, congruent to triangle A dash, B, C dash, according to basic proportionality theorem, B BC dash by BC is equal to A dash B divided by AB is equal to A dash C dash divided by AC. This is according to basic proportionality theorem. So these are equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, in triangle B B3 C dash is congruent to B B4 C. According to basic proportionality theorem, we have BC dash divided by BC is equal to B3 divided by B4 is equal to 3 by 4. So is equal to, again one more step you can write, is equal to B3C dash divided by B4C is equal to 3 by 4. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.